How does single context recording benefit archaeological digs? Imagine trying to piece together a giant puzzle where each piece is a tiny fragment of history. That's what archaeologists do when they excavate a site. They need a clear way to keep track of every layer and feature they uncover. This is where single context recording comes into play. It's a method that treats each individual layer, wall, pit, or floor as a separate unit, called a context. Each one gets its own unique number and detailed record. By doing this, archaeologists can document exactly where each find was found and how it relates to other layers. This helps them understand the sequence of events that created the site. For example, if a wall was built after a floor was laid, the records will show that order. They use standardized forms called context sheets to record details like size, shape, and position. Drawings and photographs are also added to give a visual record. Every artifact or ecofact, like bones or seeds, is labeled with the context number. This way, if a bone is found, archaeologists can see which layer it came from and what other items were nearby. A big benefit of this system is creating a Harris matrix. This is a diagram that shows how all the contexts relate to each other over time. It helps archaeologists see which layers are older and which are newer. Without this, understanding the complex history of a site would be much harder. Single context recording also makes teamwork smoother. Multiple archaeologists can work on different parts of the site and record their findings separately. Later, all the records are combined to build a complete picture. This method also supports specialists like conservationists or scientists who analyze artifacts or environmental samples. They can trust the records to know exactly where each item originated. Another advantage is flexibility. The system can be used in simple rural sites or in busy urban areas with many overlapping features. It's especially useful when deposits are deep or have many phases of activity. This approach also preserves the data for future research. Even if interpretations change, the original records stay intact. This makes it easier for future archaeologists to review and build on earlier work. In short, single context recording brings clarity and order to the chaos of excavation. It helps archaeologists document every detail, understand the site's history, and share their findings confidently. That's why it has become a standard practice in modern archaeology.